Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think that we are likely to go up and complete this WXY pattern, most likely going up and taking out these previous highs. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yeah, we're definitely going down a little bit right now, but that's probably just because of all the support that we have right here. Lots and lots of support, definitely. I still think that this right here is an A. I still think this is a wave B. And I think we're in a 1, 2, and now we're in a wave 3 of a wave C, which most likely will help take us all the way up to that forecast on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, definitely a very strong move to the downside. I actually think this is likely only a wave A. I actually think this up here is that wave 1 of wave 3. This is probably needs to make a more proper, bigger looking correction for an ABC of wave 2 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend. Probably likely go down to one of these lower Fibonacci retracement levels. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we are definitely heading up right now, but this move right here is very, very impulsive. I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3. We're probably going to get at least one more push down for wave 5, and this is only going to be a completion of the wave A of that bigger ABC correction in the higher time frames. We're still going to have to make a wave B and probably a wave C, just like I was showing you on the daily time frame. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of lower lows, lower highs. I would expect this to likely be only a wave A of wave 4, so I would likely expect this to probably end up doing something along these lines for some sort of an A, a B, and a C, probably an A, B, C of 4. Maybe it won't make its way up to the 50, maybe the 38 would be a more likely target for this, but I do think that we are going to bounce off one of these lower 3 Fibonacci levels and probably going to end up continuing back down. And this is going to probably be like a wave 3, a wave 4, and likely back down again for a wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.